Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another Sunday flea market haul. I'm pretty excited to get into this one. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, you ready to jump into this one? I know I am. Thank God the markets are finally starting to open. There wasn't many vendors. There's still a lot of snow and ice on the ground. And I came home with a $7.50 toolbox full of just miscellaneous stuff. I say we jump right into it and we see what we got. This is a park box. It's in relatively good shape. It looks like somebody threw a green paint job on there. All right, let's see what we got here. Die-cast window lock. I've never seen a window lock like that before. Have you guys seen a window lock like that? Doesn't even make any sense. Oh well. What do we got here? Stanley sash lock, another window lock. Again, another sash lock. So we got three set. See another bag down here. More window locks. So we got two sash locks and window locks. Well, it's hardware, new old stock. We got us a socket style chisel. Let's see if there's a manufacturer on there. Well, if there is, I can't read it. I don't see any writing. Again though, this thing is dirty and scrungy, so. But it looks to be in good shape. There's no chips out of the front edge, so this one can definitely be saved. So that's pretty cool. That's a keep. Stanley Yankee. A Yankee Handyman. That's pretty cool. I don't personally collect these, but I know a lot of fellas do. Yankee Handyman number 133H. North Brothers Manufacturing Co., Philadelphia. Well, it's sticky. Sure, a little shot of lube will take care of that. Yeah, it's in relatively good shape. Not too bad. I guess we'll hang on to it. Then we got a whole bunch of wrenches. I think what I'm going to do... Wow, we got a lot of wrenches. Oh, see another bag. Might be more window locks. Nope, more wrenches. A couple of screwdrivers. Let me get all this stuff out. We'll separate it in the piles and I'll show you what we got. Give me a minute. Alright guys, well we got this stuff all sorted out into its piles. You guys seen the tool rack? There's just a bunch of dirt and Allen keys in the bottom of that. You guys saw the window locks. No need to show you that again. Of course, the Stanley and the socket style chisel. What you didn't see is all this stuff. We got us a whole pile of non-desirable here, which kind of knew we were going to wind up getting that. This is all stuff that I don't collect. It'll just get resold this spring. So we'll set that off to the side. We did get a pretty good pile of wrenches here. So let's run through these and I'll show you what we got. We got a 17 and a 14 millimeter Honda motors. You guys know I hang on to those. Also got a nice Ford script. I don't see sizes on here, but it does say Ford USA. It's pretty cool. Again, I don't find these too often, so quite happy to pick that up. 2 screwdrivers. One is a Fuller, and there is not much left to that tip. This is a 302 Fuller. This one's a New Britain. I think it says 35 on there. It's the clutch style. It's not in very good shape either, but nonetheless, more screwdrivers for the collection. We got us a pair of duckbill needle nose, non-branded. Let's see, we got us a nice Sears, super clean Sears, 3/4 and 5/8. This is Sears Japan. But that is a really nice wrench, super clean. I like that. We got 3 Buffalo Barglows. This is 19/32 and 11/16. This one is 5/8 and 3/4. And this one is 3/4 and 5/8 as well. So all 3 of those are in pretty good shape. We got 2 Huskies. This is 1/2 inch and 9/16. This is a Husky CE 1618, made in the US. And this one is a forged, I want to say alloy steel USA, Husky CC 16. This is a combination, 1/2 inch. A Stanley that looks brand spanking new. 3/8 chrome vanadium combination, 95885. Has a sticker on there, so it looks like this one was bought singly. I wonder how much that cost single. Excuse me. We got us a PNC combination, 1/2 inch, 2716 is the model. This is a Williams 731B. I don't see any sizes on there. 5/8, 9/16 SAE, 9/16 OC. Uh, 7/16 and 3/8 Thorson. Monroe, 9/16 and 1/2 inch. I've never had a Monroe wrench before. This is USA T465. The only Monroe I've ever had was tires. We got 3 Palmera Truecraft Spain, 19/32 and 11/16. Again, Palmera Truecraft, 3/4, 5/8, Spain. And 9/16 and 1/2 inch Palmera Truecraft Spain. A multi-tool. Got a tickle in my throat. This is a Musselman Universal Wrench, hardened steel, made in the USA. There's a bunch of increments on there. There's 1/4 inch, 9/16, 7/16, 5/8, 11/32. I want to say that says 19/16. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I like these. I like cleaning them up. They always clean up nice. What do we got here? Oh, this is all the drop forged, made in USA. Yep, made in the USA, drop forged, 1/2 inch. Same thing here, 1/2 inch combination, drop forged USA. Drop forged, made in the USA, number 3. What is that? Facom? Vanachrome number 40. Don't know. Drop forge made in the USA. 1/2 inch 9/16. And 11/16 and 19/32 forged in the USA. And last but not least, we've got these guys here. I do like this style. These are all made in the USA as well. 1/2 inch and 9/16. What's this little guy? 1/2 inch and 7/16. What's this one? 7/16 and I'm going to say 3/8. And this one is 9/16 and 5/8. So, yeah, I don't think we did too bad for $7.50. Not too bad at all. So, let's see if I can't get you a better view here. All this stuff here, the box and all this, I'll wind up keeping. Oop, almost forgot about this stuff. Can't forget about that. Oh, the no-namers, they can go in there too. All this stuff here I'm going to wind up keeping. The only thing I'm going to get rid of is the non-desirable stuff that I just don't collect. But that stuff will all get sold. So, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. The box is in relatively good shape. Somebody put a funky paint job on there, but that's all right. It'll hold some stuff. Nice little storage unit. So, that's it for this one, guys. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to put in the comment section what you think your favorite find of today was. Me personally, there was quite a bit of good stuff in there. I'm quite happy with it. For $7.50, I can't complain. The little universal wrench, I think that's pretty cool. And of course the socket style chisel, I love these. So that'll clean up nice. I'm quite happy with that. But all in all, we did pretty good. What do you guys think? Put it in the comment section. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.